है कि it's been a blessing that I haven't had any students who would just give up on first day.
How do you see the future of swimming in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में स्विमिंग का मुस्तकबिल कैसे देख रही हैं?
It's really good nowadays, to be really honest. When I was competing, our government was not really supportive because for international level. But now, girls are going for international level, boys are going for international level. So the concept has changed a little bit, and there is a very bright future for Pakistan in swimming.
हमारे देखने वाले, सुनने वाले, पसंद करने वालों को जो नए स्विमिंग सीखना चाहते हैं, लड़कियां या लड़के, बच्चे, उनको आप क्या मशवरा देना चाहेंगी?
Don't be scared. It's just 1 minute, 1 second fear. That's it. It's just 1 second fear. All you have to do is, be confident. Trust your trainer. Be confident. Come inside the pool. Do your best, and that's all. Just try your best, to your level best, and that's about it.
What qualities should a great swimming coach have? एक बेहतरीन स्विमिंग कोच के लिए क्या खसूसियात होनी चाहिए?
Like I said before, counseling, because there are a lot of students who need counseling, who need personal counseling, such as do not give up. Okay, you're doing the best. Oh, appreciation. Everything is needed while being a coach. You need coaching, like appreciation and counseling, and what else? Just 2-3 things that you need to know, and the basics, obviously the basics, and all the techniques, the little techniques even that you have to have all of that. So to make the best coach, you gotta learn and be the best of you, the best version of yourself as well, not just a coach. You have to be the best version of yourself. That's what I think.
एक गुड स्विमर जो होता है वो अपनी डाइट का और फिटनेस का कैसे ख्याल करता है?
Before, I tell all my students before coming for swimming, please do have proper breakfast, or even if you're not getting breakfast, have 2 bananas. And diet is really important for swimming, because see, it's a very strenuous exercise, and for that you need strength. And for strength, you need food. So for that, you need a very good diet.
What is the best memorable coaching event?
Well, my best and the most memorable coaching experience, I would say, is with Samir's Village, who's like, okay, Samir's Village, owned by Sir Farhan. He is one of the best coaches you'll find in Pakistan, and he actually accelerated my growth, and I thank him a lot for being the best boss ever, and being the best friend, who was always there when I needed him in every step of the way. So I would really appreciate it if you would join Samir's Village, or if you just want to join me, because I've learned from them, and Sir Farhan. So Sir Farhan is basically my mentor and my most memorable experience in my whole entire life.
Why does swimming become more popular in summer, and how can accidents be avoided? गर्मियों में स्विमिंग का रुझान क्यों बढ़ जाता है? इस दौरान हादसा कैसे रोके जा सकते हैं?
Okay, first of all, गर्मियों में इसलिए हो जाता है because it's very, very hot in Pakistan. Everyone knows about that. So the pool is cool, and छुट्टियाँ होती हैं, so parents prefer कि 2 महीने में ही सीख जाएं. It's not possible, ठीक है? 2 महीने में you can't become a professional or a perfect swimmer. You have to give time for swimming, and parents, this was a question था आपका कि how to save, and that is Lifeguards should be present at all times, especially when the small kids are swimming. So the lifeguards should be aware of all the situations, because abroad that's the way it's supposed to be. The lifeguards are alert, they are right there and they're doing their best job. But in Pakistan I've hardly seen any lifeguard. Hardly. They're only coaches who coach.
ठीक, आने वाले दिनों में हाफसा फारूकी आफ्टर 1 ईयर और 2 ईयर 3 ईयर आप अपने आप को पाकिस्तान के स्विमिंग लेवल पे कहाँ पे देखना चाहेंगी?
At the top, inshallah. Let's see.
अच्छा, हमारे देखने वालों को अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँगा कोई 3 टिप्स दीजिए जो नए आ रहे हैं सीखने के लिए, तो उनके लिए आप क्या 3 टिप्स देना चाहेंगी हमारे चैनल के रेफरेंस से?
आपके चैनल के रेफरेंस से?
जी।
Okay. Well, first of all, try your level best to hold on to your breath for as long as you can. That's for the stamina. And try to put your face in the water, so it's going to be helpful as well. And number 3, do not be scared. Do not fear the water. If you become friends with the water is the friendliest thing that can happen to you. That's all. Thank you so much.
अच्छा, मेरे देखने वाले हमने आपके जर्नी के ऊपर तो हमने बात करी, अब एक छोटा सा देखने वाले ये पूछा चाहे कि हफ्सा फारूकी की जो फिटनेस का जो राज है वो क्या है? राज आप खाने में क्या लेती हैं, क्या खाती हैं, क्या डाइट है आपका, थोड़ा ये बताइए प्लीज।
To be really honest, I'm not a very fit person, but yes, I do take proteins, I do take milk and eggs, very important, bananas, very important, dates if you have any, very important. So all of these small things, they're really good for your health and they're really beneficial for being a professional swimmer. That's all.
अच्छा, आपकी एजुकेशन में बात की तो आपकी एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड क्या है, थोड़ा ये बताइए।
My background education is actually about teaching. It's not teaching swimming, it's about teaching. So I've done my courses from Westminster University in UK, and it's done in dyslexia and special needs education. So I even taught there as a school teacher. I've taught here as a school teacher as well, but let's say that I was more interested in swimming because it was my passion and I really wanted to teach swimming rather than teaching English or whatever the subjects or behavioral therapy or anything else. I was more interested in teaching swimming because swimming is what my passion is.
मेरे देखने वाले, सुनने वाले और पसंद करने वाले, हम इस वक्त मौजूद है दी रियल टॉक पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर और एक हफ्सा फारूकी जो कि सर्टिफाइड स्विमिंग कोच, इनके साथ हमने एक ज़बरदस्त सा व्लॉग किया। मेरे चैनल में जुड़े रहने का शुक्रिया। मिलते हैं फिर एक नए व्लॉग के साथ, जब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।